Intimacy can be beautiful, but for many, it can also bring tension, fear, or discomfort. If you feel anxious around closeness or emotional connection, you're not broken, you're human. When intimacy triggers anxiety, your body is reacting to a perceived threat, not from your partner, but from your own nervous system. The same stress hormones that respond to danger can activate during vulnerability, causing racing thoughts, muscle tension, or even avoidance. These reactions often stem from early experiences, trust issues, or emotional wounds that make closeness feel unsafe. The body remembers discomfort even when the mind wants connection. The good news? You can retrain your body and mind to feel safe again. Healing begins with awareness, noticing when anxiety shows up, and allowing yourself to pause instead of pushing through or shutting down. Working with a mental health professional can help you identify triggers and reframe patterns that fuel intimacy anxiety. Techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy and mindfulness help calm the body's alarm system and rebuild trust, both in yourself and others. Open communication also matters. Sharing your feelings with your partner, even saying, "I feel anxious right now," can reduce tension and create understanding instead of distance. Self-care practices like journaling, slow breathing, and grounding exercises teach your nervous system that closeness can coexist with calm. Over time, these moments of gentle exposure build emotional resilience. Remember, intimacy isn't only physical. It's built through small moments of trust, empathy, and honesty. It's about connection, not perfection. At SDKare, we support emotional and sexual wellness with compassion and expertise. Our licensed providers guide you through intimacy concerns in a safe, understanding space, addressing everything from anxiety and communication barriers to hormonal and emotional influences. Discomfort around intimacy doesn't mean you're incapable of love. It means your body is asking for care. Let's help you listen to it. Visit sdkare.com to connect with our mental health and wellness specialists today. SDKare, simple, dedicated care for every side of you.